Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to recover deleted photos and videos. If you've ever accidentally deleted precious photos or videos on your iPhone, you know how heart-wrenching it can be. But don't worry, in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover those deleted photos and videos step by step. First off, iPhones have a feature called Recently Deleted Album, which is a lifesaver. When you delete a photo or video, it's not gone forever immediately. Instead, it goes into this recently deleted folder where it stays for 30 days permanently. Here, as you can see, recently deleted folder, simply tap on it. Once you're in the recently deleted album, you may need to use your Face ID or fingerprint ID to access it. Now, to recover those photos or videos, here's how you do it. Simply click on select and choose for which photos you want to recover. Now simply tap on three dots at the bottom and simply click on recover. And that's it. That's how you simply recover recently deleted photos and videos on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.